Talk to me about how some of these visualizations work. How do they bring your data to life?
So I think the colors, it goes beyond just the normal graph, because we've seen all different types of graphs, the donuts, the bars, the pies, and things like that. It almost feels like it's three-dimensional as you factor in the size of the boxes, and then the ability really to custom code it any way you want, which was, I think, valuable for us. In fact, I think it's more valuable outside of technology. If you're in the marketing group or on the business side, or if we're trying to share this information with our corporate finance groups, it really helps them see in big bright colors and size where our spend's going. And again, if you're a layman and you don't know much more about information security beyond some of the big players, it lets you see who's in that space and what tools are we buying in each bucket. Are we balancing out our spend? What's jumping at us? I actually talked to Ken about maybe that would be a good modification and adding a color to our heat map that would say enterprise-wide license versus limited seats, and we can have like several different colors. That green is you have nothing to worry about, yellow in the middle, and pick red and says that this is a high risk contract, that it's easy to go out of compliance, or historically you've gone out of compliance, because that's when things get very expensive.
This was another use case that sourcing could use this tool. If we knew about agreement end dates, we could start negotiate months ahead. In that way, be able to get a better price. That's something that doesn't always happen today, because the renewal kind of pops up as a surprise.
If you miss 10 or 20 of those smaller renewals, you may be leaving money on the table.